Hello guys. Today our subject is on social media, specifically on Facebook, and our learning content will be how to create a Facebook account and its basics. So at first, this Facebook was invented by Mark Zuckerberg and his fellow roommates named Eduardo Saverin, Andrew McCollum, Dustin Moskovitz, and Chris Hughes. And this company is based in Menlo Park, California. Now coming to the main part, how to create a Facebook account. First step is we have to enter www.facebook.com address in a home page, like in a browser like Chrome, etc. Now then a picture will be shown like this home page. If you have already an account, you can log in. Otherwise you can sign up and connect with your friends. It is a easy and quick way to contact or to connect with the friends worldwide. And the next figure shows the details of the entered. Here, after that, you will get a code of the registered email ID or for the registered mobile number from the Facebook. So after getting the code from your email ID, type that code and continue. And this picture will shows the code entered from your email ID and the press continue button. Next, after that, you will get a pop-up showing an account. Your account is confirmed, and after getting the confirmation, press OK and continue. After that, the picture FB file will be displayed asking to upload your profile picture. Next figure will shows find or search people by name. You control, and next picture shows how to control your profile settings, like the stuff you share and the apps on the Facebook, whether it should be a public or it should be among your friends. That means you can have a privacy settings in the Facebook. Next, right side corner you can see a number of languages. You can select your regional language or your country language so that you can enjoy the Facebook. And after that, coming to the left side of the page, you can see a number of options to select. Among them, the mostly used options are newsfeed, watch, and messenger. Coming to the newsfeed, and the picture shows, in this you can post what's on your mind, that means your status, and you can share a photo or video, and you can tag your friends, etc. So after the news feed, then the next option is messenger. So here you can, in this picture you can see the persons in your contacts, and you can contact them and chat with your friends. These are the friends list shown in the figure, that you can just click on their names and you can chat with them. And next, coming to the next option, that is watch. This figure shows the option to watch, to catch up on popular videos and find a new series and see what your friends are enjoying and what are the popular videos. These are the Facebook basics that everyone should know. And the next figure shows the distribution of Facebook users worldwide as of July 2019 by age and gender.